Right guys, so we're about to buy the Cloud Boost on CryptoTab. Let's go. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for me. Thank you guys so very much. Now with that being said, let's jump right into today's video. Okay guys, so in today's quick video, what we're going to be doing is actually buying Cloud Boost on CryptoTab. And as you guys can see, these 5 phones running right here, we actually have a whole row of 10 phones running CryptoTab as of currently. However, we're only going to activate one account so far just to see how it goes. So I don't know about you guys, but something weird's been happening. You guys can see I'm getting close to 100 hashes per second, and that goes across 4 phones right here. And then starting with this phone, it goes down to, if this camera will focus, 30 hashes per second. And that's one account guys. So this is a Samsung S6, this is a LG Rebel 2, and then these two right here are ZTE phones, which by the way I forgot the model, but they costed about like 25 to 30 bucks. And then this phone right here is actually the same model as those ones, but you guys can clearly see is making only 32 hashes per second. And this phone right here is actually connected to the same account as these right here. So I don't know why this is only making 32 hashes per second, where these ones are making like 100, and we haven't even touched Cloud Boost on any of them yet. A majority of my other phones, you guys can see, we're all getting about 32 hashes per second. Even the good phones, and yes, these ones are upside down because the charger's at the very top, and so yeah, we kind of have to flip them upside down. Hold on guys, so if we actually go ahead and get a 10 times boost, does that mean this phone right here will be making 1,000 hashes per second? That's pretty much faster than that laptop right here. Let's take a look at this guys. We're only getting like 900 hashes per second, but guys, we're about to activate these phones right here, and each phone is about to make the same amount as a laptop. And if that does happen, that's pretty crazy guys. We're looking at 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 4,100 hashes per second. Anyways guys, enough talk. Let's go ahead and actually activate this account right here and see how much we can actually make from getting Cloud Boost. Alright, so let's give this a shot again. We added our card instead of using PayPal. Alright guys, so we're about to purchase Cloud Boost. As you guys can see, we're just gonna go ahead, hit verify, and now it should go through hopefully. Come on, processing. There we go, payment successful, require authentication for all purchases. Yes, always, okay. And there we go guys, so we got ourselves, no thanks, and we got ourselves some Cloud Boost now guys. So you guys can see earn with Cloud Boost, activate Cloud Boost. And as you guys can see, we got Cloud Boost enabled. Now I do believe you have to come down here and actually click enable Cloud Boost every 3 hours or so, but then again, an auto clicker will do that just fine. So there we go guys, we have enabled Cloud Boost for all 5 phones. So let's actually see how much money we can actually make with these Cloud Boosts. And as you can see, oh my gosh dude, 1,000 hashes per second. Oh geez dude, this is crazy, look at this. Damn bro. Okay, and then we can boost this one. This will go up to, oh wait, what the heck? Well, this phone here is being a bit screwy. I might have signed in on the wrong account, but anyways, as you guys can see, I'll fix that later, but you guys can see we're getting 1,000 hashes per second on all these phones for some odd reason, and yet we're actually going to go ahead and just keep this running obviously. So yeah guys, this is pretty crazy. We got like 4,000 hashes in total just from 4 phones, and then this one's being a bit screwy. Like I said, I should have a Cloud Boost on this phone as well, but it's not showing up just yet. Also, if you were wondering what our earnings were without Cloud Boost, we were having around, you know, 8.6 cents, and it hasn't even been a single day since we started running it. It's been like a few hours only, and we've gotten like 8 cents already. So now with Cloud Boost, technically this thing should go 10 times as fast, which is pretty crazy guys. Also guys, if you want to go ahead and give CryptoTab a shot, link is in the description as always. Also, if you want to see an update on CryptoTab, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future video. Until then, go ahead and earn more money by clicking this video right here. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, thank you so very much for watching. Peace out for now.